Apothekary Blue Burn is marketed as a natural weight loss solution designed to boost metabolism and burn fat effortlessly. But does it actually work, or is it just another overhyped scam? Let's break it down. First, let's look at customer reviews. While some users claim to have experienced minor weight loss or increased energy, many others report no noticeable results even after consistent use. Complaints about misleading advertising, poor ingredient quality, and a lack of scientific evidence supporting the product are widespread, raising doubts about its effectiveness. Next, examine the ingredients. Does Blue Burn contain clinically proven compounds like green tea extract or Garcinia cambogia, or is it packed with untested fillers? A lack of transparency about dosages and formulations can be a major red flag. Additionally, compare this supplement to other weight loss solutions on the market. Competitors often offer stronger, research-backed formulas that are more reliable for achieving results. Finally, always consult with a healthcare professional before trying any new supplement, especially one making bold claims about weight loss. If this review helped you decide whether Apothekary Blue Burn is worth your money, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.